Hello children, we will be again revising with the general form equation of linear equations in two variables. So our general form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a and b is not equal to 0. A, B, C are real numbers and highest degree is 1. Our previous knowledge, we have done elimination method and we have done substitution method, and we are using both the methods. I hope you all have understood elimination as well as substitution method. So first question of practice set 1.1, question number 2, we have done change of the signs for the variables. Means the sign was same at B. So we had plus plus, so we had converted to plus and minus. So second equation we had converted to minus. So all the terms had changed. 1.1 question number 2, second one. We multiplied the coefficients of the variables having an opposite sign and we eliminated them. So opposite gets cancelled, opposite signs get cancelled, and even third sum was the same. The rule was same, multiply the coefficient of variable having an opposite sign and we have to eliminate. Question number 4 of same exercise. Multiply the coefficient of variable having opposite signs to eliminate, and then we need to change the sign for variable n. So that question was we had to find solutions for variable m and variable n. Now we start with next question, that is fifth question. It says 5x plus 2y equals to minus 3, and second equation is x plus 5y equals to 4. So we have put them into we have numbered it as equation 1 and we have numbered it as equation 2. Now here we are going to use substitution method because elimination method I have already taught you all, and I expect now you all should revise elimination method, and I came up with the new question with substitution method. So here look at second equation, you can see x plus 5y is equals to 4. So we will convert that equation to x is equals to 4 minus 5y. Could you see what has happened in equation 2? With equation 2, x is remained on left hand side, but plus 5y, when we changed to other side of equal to sign, we have got minus 5, and 4 has again plus sign because we have not touched 4. So it remains as it is. So 4 minus 5y. So we are using here which method? We are using here substitution method. Now look at x is equals to 4 minus 5. We number it as third equation. Now we will use this equation in equation 1. So third equation in 1. We substitute third equation in equation 1. So what we get? What is our first equation? Our first equation is 5x plus 2y is equals to minus 3. So remember, if minus sign is there, you need to write minus sign. So write the first equation. So we get 5 in bracket. Now what is the value of x in equation 3? It is 4 minus 5y. Okay, and what is next? Plus 2y. From where that 2y's come? Yes, it's already in equation 1. So 4 minus 5y, which is the value of x, plus 2y equals to minus 3. Have you all understood this step? Okay, so next is 5 we open the bracket and we multiply the number, outside number with inside numbers. So let's see what happens. We have 5 into 4 is equals to how much? 20. 5 into 5 is 25. But which sign is there inside the bracket? It is minus. And outside it is plus. So minus into plus will become minus. So 5 5s are 25 and y is the variable. Plus 2y equals to minus 3. Now when we write next, what we have to do? We have to get the like terms together. Now we keep y on the left hand side. So minus 25 plus 2y will give us minus 3 minus 20. So same signs will add and give the same sign. You remember the rule which we have taught in? I have taught you all in 9th standard. Do you all remember? Okay. So just recall it. So minus and minus in addition property, we add the number and give the same sign. Now look at on left hand side, it is minus 25 and plus 2. So we have both the rules here. We have opposite signs as well as we have same signs. So minus 25 and plus 2. So what is minus 25 plus 2 will give us? Right, we have to subtract. So 25 minus 2 is 23. Who is the greater number here? 25. So what is the sign at 25? Minus, correct? So we get the answer as minus 23y. And on the right hand side, we have minus 3 and minus 20. So minus 3 and minus 20 will give us minus 23. Correct? Next is minus 23 upon minus 23. So we get the answer as y equals to 1 because minus signs and minus signs have got cancelled. Now put the value of y in equation 3. What is the equation? What is our equation? We have x is equals to 4 minus 5y. So x is equals to 4 minus 5. What is the value of y? 1. Very good. 5 into 1 is 5. So we get 4 minus 5. Now here we have opposite signs. We have plus sign is for 4 and minus is for 5. So x is equals to, we subtract the number. Rule says what? Subtract the number and give the greater number sign. So 5 minus 4 is 1. But who is a greater number here? 5. What is the sign? Minus. So your x is equals to minus 1. So your solution is xy equals to minus 1, which is the x value, and 1 is for y value. Now your today's homework is solve it by elimination method. This was practice set 1.1, question number 2, fifth sum. Okay, and this method I have given also a hint. You have to change the sign and multiply variable y with 2 and 5. Now next sum we will see. This sum is little difficult. Yes, but we will make it easy. Now here we need to know LCM, HCF, which we have already studied in 5th, 6th, 7th standard. Okay, and when you are solving linear equation in 2 variables or any maths questions, you need to know basic things: addition, subtraction, cancellations, division, multiplication, and finding LCM, factors, multiples. So please practice at home. You all have lots of time now. We are helping out for your 10th standard. So please do the basics and fundamentals of maths. Your squares, square roots, cube roots. Okay. Now practice set 1.1, question number 2, simultaneous equation, 6th question. It is 1 upon 3x plus y equals to 10 upon 3. 2x plus 1 upon 4y equals to 11 upon 4. Now you can see here it is a fraction given to us. Okay, so please, what we will do first, we'll number them, equation 1 and equation 2, and we will do first the conversion. What is the conversion now? Which variable has one coefficient in which equation? Okay, it is in equation 1. So our equation 1 becomes as y equals to 10 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 x. So we get y is equals to 10 minus x upon 3. Okay. So put the value of y in equation 2. We add equation 2 in, equation 1 in, this value of y in equation 2. Okay. So we will put, what is the equation 2? 2x plus 1 upon 4y equals to 11 upon 4. Now this can be done by elimination method, but that elimination method I will be giving for homework. So 2x plus 1 upon 4 as it is. What is the value of y? What is the value of y? It is 10 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 x is equal to 11 upon 4 as it is. Now 2 plus 10 upon 1 tens are 10, correct. 4 threes are 12 minus 1 into x is x, and 4 threes are 12 at the denominator. So you have got 2x 10 upon 12 minus x upon 12, which is equal to 11 upon 4. Okay. Now next, 2x as it is plus 10 upon 12 minus x upon 12 is equal to 11 upon 4. But now in this equation we have LCM only for 10 and x. So what we'll do? We will multiply 12 by 2x and 3 by 11 upon 4. We find the LCM, that is 12. So we get 24x upon 12, 10 upon 12 minus x upon 12, which is equals to 3 upon 12. Okay. Now we got what are the like terms? 24x minus x upon 12 equals to 10 upon 12 goes on other hand side. So we get 33 minus 10 upon 12. Now look at the video. Look at the screen. 24 minus 1 is 23x upon 12, which is equal to 33 minus 10 upon 12 is 23. So 12 gets cancelled by alternando. You remember ratio and proportion? Yes. So 23x is equals to 23. So x is equals to 23 upon 23, which is equals to 1. Now put the value of x in equation 1. Y is equals to 10 minus x upon 3. So y is equals to 10 minus 1, which is the value of x upon 3. So y is equals to 9 upon 3 and y is equals to 3. So your solution is x and y equals to 1 upon 3. Homework solved by elimination method. Okay, I think this will be difficult task to convert to do by elimination method, but I am sure you all will try your level best to find your answer. And if any difficulty is there, of course we will be there. When we will come back, I will be solving again for you all. Is it okay? And write your doubts when you all are solving right there, because after a month maybe we will be meeting for our classes in person, but then till then you have to learn through videos. Okay, bye, take care.